do you find Janela? How do you find her as a person, as a friend? The first time, yung 4 months na magkasama kayo sa Philippines.
Janela is really fun to be with. She's fun to be with, but at the same time, she is easy to work with also. Because when we're on the set, okay, she's Janela, pero makikita mo yung transformation niya talaga as Sam. That's how serious she is with her work din. Talagang paninindigan niya yung character niya si Sam na laking Hapon, so Haponesa.
Kung wala ka bang girlfriend ngayon, is it possible na may labang sakyan kay Janela?
Well, she's very, like what I said kanina, she's like a girl next door type of girl. So, yeah, I can't see it not happening.
Sinabi mo kanina na may kung sakaling magkaroon ng chance na magkaroon sa script na may kissing scene or parang romance between the two of you. How will you support Janela? Kasi 18 pa lang, sir. You're 21, maybe
22.
You're 22 already. How you will support Janela dun sa scene na yun? Kung sakaling magkaroon ng gano'n.
Well,
Sa ibang soap mo naman nagkaroon na ba?
like what?
Yung sa ibang soap mo, ng kissing scene or...
Yes, nagkaroon na po ako ng kissing scene.
Kumbaga ikaw nagkaroon ka na ng chance. Si Janela, how will you support her? Kasi parang first time yung gagawin niya.
I don't know. Like what I said nga, parang gusto ko lang siya i-guide, pero ayoko rin naman siyang ayoko siyang i-force na gawin yung isang bagay na hindi niya naman gusto. So, if she doesn't want it muna, like, I respect that.